What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do dumbbell front raises.
Alright, and this is the dumbbell front raise. For balance purposes, the feet should be shoulder length apart. In order to apply the most tension towards the front delts, make sure that the elbows are completely straight. And taking a look at the primary target of this exercise, the front delt. Please don't do this. 1, if you have a weak grip, you might throw a weight at somebody. 2, you're pretty much not getting anything out of this. This variation allows you to slow down and focus on one delt at a time. And let's get one more quick run through just to show you how it's done.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a dumbbell front raise. Until next time.